Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're gonna do what we always do. We're gonna go hacking the planet. Very AI positive. Let's talk about AI, Stable Diffusion, Ollama, Flux, all of that good stuff. Man, this stuff is a real pain in the ass to install, especially over Linux, especially headless. Man, I can't tell you how many difficult times, how many issues I've had trying to install it. So I wanted to tell you about. Oh, look at this picture. I'm sorry, I have to pause. This is Flux, and I'm trying to get Flux to make topless women in Times Square. I was really just trying to test the sensors, and I think there is sensors because I can't see. It's a good kitty. It's a very good kitty, and it's a very good picture too. Frickin' thing's been generating forever. I have a 4070 Super Ti in here, and I put probably too many steps and 30 steps. I'm pretty sure like 7 is what its standard is default. I'm just learning Flux with this thing. I've been on Stable Diffusion forever, but with this new program that makes everything super easy, I'm getting like thrown into the fast lane with AI. So this program here is called Pinocchio, and you install it in Windows. You then install whatever popular AI thing that you want, which is freaking remarkable, with some caveats, okay? Geez, maybe this is why Stable Diffusion isn't running as quick as I wanted it to. I keep having frickin' GPU grid running in the background. What the heck, Nev? Alright, so here you can see what we got. I'm gonna come over here to Audio. Looks like maybe it'd be something I'd be into. And I just hit download, right? Audio.get, save as, blam. It's going to do all of the installation on its own. And if it doesn't work, you come back and you try it again. Because, oh, here it is. Here it is. Okay, see, install, right? Right. Is it going to give me a list of dependencies? No. Okay, well, usually it gives you a list of dependencies because sometimes you need to install like 50 things, right? Come on, autofocus. There we go. Sometimes it needs to install like 50 freaking things. And you have to say, okay, this is a program best used, best run as administrator. That's the icon, Lord and icon. And here you can see the things that I've already gotten running on here. Stable Diffusion and Flux. It's really freaking easy. I've gotten Stable Diffusion running the old-fashioned way, but damn, it's a real pain in the arse. From the tests that I've been running, it's about the same power running it here on Windows as it is running in WSL. However, I don't know. It will probably be a little slower than it would be if you ran these in Linux, of course, right? So here we go. Pinocchio AI download. Pinocchio.computer. Hey kid, I'm a computer. One thing I need to warn you about is we need to make sure that we don't download anything too sketchy on here because some people could be uploading things that aren't really what you think they are. But these topical, the verified scripts here, the verified scripts seem to be good. The community scripts, maybe not so much, but definitely check it out. Pinocchio is AI made easy, guys.